And it's been nearly a week since a massive fire ripped through a condo here in Perryville, displacing 24 people, causing millions of dollars in damages. Investigators are still working to figure out what started the fire, though they say improperly discarded smoking materials are not being ruled out just yet. The three-alarm fire started at the building on Owings Landing Court around 2:30 in the morning on Sunday. 3 people had to go to the hospital. They have been treated and released. The building was destroyed, and the fire caused damage to 3 other buildings in the complex. Officials say the fire caused $7.5 million in damages.